Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of the carnivore diet, exploring 10 plus crazy and unexpected benefits that might surprise you. But wait, what's the difference between the carnivore and lion diets? Well, stick around as we uncover all the juicy details. So you've probably heard about the carnivore diet and its potential health benefits. But did you know there's a whole new world of unexpected perks waiting to be discovered? That's right. We highlight some lesser-known advantages this diet can offer for your overall well-being. From improved mental clarity to enhanced energy levels, there's much more to this diet than meets the eye. So buckle up and get ready to explore the unique and intriguing aspects of the carnivore diet, which might make you rethink your approach to nutrition. Stay tuned for the rest of the video to uncover all the exciting details. The lion diet versus carnivore diet. Let's break down the key differences between the lion diet and the carnivore diet to help you navigate the world of meat-based eating plans. The lion diet, inspired by the eating habits of lions in the wild, focuses on consuming only animal foods, including meat, organs, and bone marrow. The carnivore diet offers more variety and is generally more practical for everyday life, making it a more sustainable option for many. In contrast, with its strict focus on ruminant meats, the lion diet suits those seeking a particular nutrient profile and willing to navigate its dietary restrictions. The carnivore diet has different versions, but it generally includes any food that comes from an animal. Meat, seafood, dairy, and eggs. Some people include coffee, tea, and spices. The lion diet is an elimination diet that provides only ruminant meat, such as beef and lamb, salt and water. The carnivore diet is a more flexible approach that includes dairy products, eggs, and animal-based foods. Regarding food choices and nutritional focus, the lion diet emphasizes the consumption of whole, unprocessed animal products to mimic the natural diet of a lion. In contrast, the carnivore diet places a stronger emphasis on the exclusion of plant-based foods, focusing solely on animal-derived nutrients for optimal health. The lion diet may be more restrictive and challenging to follow long-term, while the carnivore diet could lead to potential nutrient deficiencies if not carefully planned. Please consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes to ensure they align with your needs. If you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Increased energy levels. One of the most unexpected benefits of the carnivore diet is the significant boost in energy levels many followers experience. This surge in vitality can be attributed to the diet's high protein and fat content, which provides a steady source of fuel for the body throughout the day. By prioritizing animal-based foods rich in essential nutrients, followers of the carnivore diet often report feeling more alert, focused, and energized. Additionally, reduced carbohydrate intake in the carnivore diet prevents energy crashes commonly associated with fluctuating blood sugar levels. Without the spikes and dips in energy that come with consuming high-carb meals, individuals on the carnivore diet can maintain a more stable and sustained energy level throughout the day. Whether it's personal anecdotes from carnivore diet enthusiasts or scientific studies highlighting the energy-boosting effects of this eating plan, there's no shortage of evidence supporting the positive impact on energy levels. So if you want to kickstart your day with a newfound sense of vigor, the carnivore diet might be the key to unlocking sustained energy and vitality. Improved mental clarity. Embark on a journey to enhanced mental clarity and focus with the carnivore diet, a dietary approach praised for its potential cognitive benefits. By eliminating processed foods and sugars from your meals, the carnivore diet can profoundly impact cognitive function, helping to sharpen your focus and clarity of thought. Healthy fats support brain health and cognitive function, and the carnivore diet is rich in these essential nutrients. From omega-3 fatty acids found in fatty fish to saturated fats in meat and dairy products, incorporating a variety of healthy fats into your diet can help nourish your brain and enhance mental clarity. To optimize mental performance through dietary choices, consider prioritizing nutrient-dense animal-based foods high in protein and healthy fats. Incorporating a variety of meats, organs, and dairy products can provide your brain with the essential nutrients it needs to function at its best. So, to boost your mental clarity and focus, consider trying the carnivore diet and experiencing its cognitive benefits firsthand. Weight loss benefits. Discover the surprising weight loss benefits that the carnivore diet can offer as you embark on a journey towards a healthier, leaner you. The high protein content of the carnivore diet plays a crucial role in aiding satiety and calorie control, helping you feel fuller for longer and potentially reducing overall calorie intake. A low-carb, high-protein diet like the carnivore diet can tap into the metabolic effects promoting weight management, with fewer carbohydrates to convert into glucose for energy. Your body may turn to stored fat for fuel, potentially leading to weight loss and improved body composition. Success stories and scientific evidence abound regarding weight loss on the carnivore diet. After adopting this meat-centric eating plan, many individuals have reported significant reductions in body weight, body fat percentage, and waist circumference. Scientific studies have also shown promising results regarding weight loss and metabolic improvements for those following a carnivore diet. If you're looking to shed excess pounds and achieve your weight loss goals, the carnivore diet may be the key to unlocking a slimmer, healthier you. Improve digestive health. Experience a transformation in your digestive health with the carnivore diet, a dietary approach praised for its positive impact on gut health. By eliminating plant-based foods from your meals, the carnivore diet can alleviate common digestive issues such as bloating and gas, relieving those struggling with gastrointestinal discomfort. Individuals with sensitive digestive systems may particularly benefit from the simplicity and digestibility of the carnivore diet. Focusing on animal-based foods that are easier for the body to break down, this eating plan can help reduce digestive stress and promote overall gut health. To maintain optimal gut health while on the carnivore diet, consider incorporating bone broth, fermented dairy products, and organ meats into your meals. These nutrient-dense foods can provide essential vitamins, minerals, and probiotics that support a healthy gut microbiome and digestive function. If you're looking to soothe digestive issues and improve your gut health, the carnivore diet may offer the relief and support you need to feel your best from the inside out. Enhanced muscle recovery. Unleash the power of the carnivore diet to supercharge your muscle recovery and growth, paving the way for more robust, resilient muscles. The carnivore diet's emphasis on high-quality protein sources is critical to supporting muscle repair and development, providing your body with the essential building blocks to recover effectively after intense workouts. Essential nutrients and animal-based foods support post-workout recovery, helping to replenish glycogen stores, repair muscle tissue, and reduce inflammation. You can optimize muscle recovery and enhance overall athletic performance by fueling your body with nutrient-dense meats, organs, and dairy products. Staying hydrated and consuming adequate electrolytes can further support muscle recovery and prevent dehydration post-exercise. Suppose you want to accelerate muscle recovery and take your fitness game to the next level. In that case, the carnivore diet offers a nutrient-dense approach to fueling your body for optimal performance and growth. Reduced inflammation. Delve into reduced inflammation with the carnivore diet, a dietary approach known for its anti-inflammatory effects that can help alleviate chronic inflammation. By eliminating potential inflammatory foods, such as grains, legumes, and processed sugars, the carnivore diet can significantly reduce overall inflammation levels, promoting better health and well-being. The high-fat, low-carb nature of the carnivore diet plays a pivotal role in modulating inflammatory markers in the body. Scientific studies and testimonials alike have highlighted the reduction of inflammation as a critical benefit of the carnivore diet. Many individuals have reported improvements in inflammatory conditions such as arthritis, autoimmune disorders, and digestive issues after adopting this meat-centric eating approach. Better skin health. Unveil the unexpected benefit of radiant skin on the carnivore diet, a dietary approach that can work wonders for your complexion and overall skin health. By making dietary changes and eliminating potential skin irritants, such as processed sugars and inflammatory foods, the carnivore diet can help improve common skin conditions like acne and eczema, leading to more precise, healthier skin. Essential nutrients found in abundance in animal-based foods are crucial in promoting skin health and radiance. From collagen-rich meats to omega-3 fatty acids in fatty fish, the carnivore diet provides the building blocks necessary for maintaining a glowing complexion and supporting skin regeneration. Additionally, staying hydrated, getting enough sleep, and practicing good skincare habits can further enhance the health and appearance of your skin. Suppose you want to achieve a radiant complexion and address skin concerns from the inside out. In that case, the carnivore diet offers a holistic approach to skincare that can leave you glowing with confidence, increased mental resilience. Unlock the potential for enhanced mental resilience and well-being with the carnivore diet, a dietary approach that can fortify your mind and support your mental health. If you found this information valuable and are eager to continue your journey toward optimal health, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more health, nutrition, and wellness content. Join our community as we strive to empower and inspire each other toward a healthier lifestyle.